Today I will show you how to make a repository public on GitHub, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. Once you're done with that, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now we're going to go to the far right. There's an icon that displays our display image. We click on it and then we go to repositories. Now on the repositories, we can find two repositories, with one being private and one being public. Now we're going to change this private repository to a public one. Now once we're in the repository, we're going to click on settings. Now on the settings, in the general tab, we're going to scroll down until we see danger zone. Now once we see danger zone, right on the danger zone, the next header is the visibility of the repo. We're going to click on change visibility and we're going to click on change to public. Now it's going to ask us if we are sure we want to make this change. We're going to click on it. We're going to click on it. And we're going to make this repository public. Now once we do that and we go back to our code, we should have the public tag on our repository. But to really confirm, we can go to the repositories again, and now we have this change into public. Now that's how you make a repository public on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.